On the shores of Jacksonville Beach, Casa Marina Hotel has been a dreamy stay for just over 100 years. This Spanish Mediterranean beauty first opened in 1925 and was the area's first fireproof building, complete with an automatic sprinkler system. During the Roaring 20s, Jacksonville was a thriving destination, and the hotel hosted famous guests including Al Capone and President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The hotel was turned into military housing during World War II and in the following decades served different purposes. After closing for a period of time, the Grand Lady of Jacksonville Beach reopened in 1991. Today, Casa Marina Hotel has 23 rooms and parlor suites. Mine had stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and the hotel's beautiful courtyard. Guests can start their mornings with complimentary continental breakfast before stepping right onto the sand, as the beach access is just steps away from the courtyard. One of the big highlights of Casa Marina Hotel is its Penthouse Lounge, a rooftop bar with sweeping views of the Atlantic. It's a go-to spot for both visitors and locals, so you know it's good. Casa Marina Hotel is in the perfect location to explore everything Jacksonville Beach has to offer. Check the caption for my 6 must-see stops. And if you're looking for more unique and unexpected getaways, hit subscribe. This is one of more than 20 historic properties I've been exploring across Florida.